Welcome. If you want to connect printer to your Motorola Moto Z3 Play, for the first you have to enter the settings. Right here you have to tap on the connected devices, tap on the printing and use the default print service. And right now our smartphone is looking for the printer, and in our office we can find the HP Color LaserJet Pro, and if you click on this you are going to connect to this printer. And if you have any problem you can also enter the add service option, and right here you can download the plugin. For example, if you are the broader printer, you just have to click on it and install from the Google Play Store, and everything will work. So thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.